Amazing facts about human body. Your brain's cognitive function can improve during exercise as cardiovascular activity increases blood flow to the brain, potentially enhancing mental acuity and reaction time. The human tongue has roughly 2,000 to 8,000 taste buds, each capable of detecting the 5 elements of taste perception: sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and umami. Emotional tears, shed when experiencing strong feelings, contain additional hormones and proteins not present in tears caused by irritants like cutting onions. A phenomenon known as cellular memory has been reported by organ transplant recipients, where some claim to have acquired traits or memories from their donors. The blush response is a subconscious physical reaction that can indicate attraction, embarrassment, or a strong emotional response, and it's something humans can't control. It's possible to die from a broken heart. This condition, known as broken heart syndrome, can mimic heart attack symptoms and is precipitated by acute stress or loss. People can remember about 1,000 to 10,000 faces, but the ability to recall names is significantly lower, highlighting the brain's prioritization of visual information. The sensation of touch is the first sense humans develop, with the entire body being sensitive to touch, though the fingertips are most refined. When humans form a line or cue, the psychology behind it taps into our innate desire for fairness and social order, explaining the frustration felt when someone cuts in line. Yawning is contagious, even between humans and dogs, suggesting that the reflex may be related to social bonding and empathy. Studies suggest that the presence of plants in a work environment can boost creativity and productivity, possibly by reducing stress and enhancing mood. A person's favorite song is likely associated with an emotional event in their life, and the brain can release dopamine in response to music, just as it does to food or drugs. The human skeleton renews itself completely every 10 years, so essentially, you get a new skeleton a decade at a time, speaking to the body's amazing ability to regenerate. Laughter isn't just a human behavior. Rats have been observed to laugh when tickled, indicating that humor and joy may be more universally experienced across species. Minor differences in ear anatomy between individuals can greatly affect how they hear and process sounds, contributing to their unique auditory world. When a person is lying, they will often unconsciously place objects between themselves and the person they are lying to, as a subtle psychological barrier. Humans and giraffes have the same number of bones in their necks, 7. Despite the giraffe's neck being much longer, the vertebrae are just much larger. Extended periods of social isolation can have a significant negative impact on mental and physical health, akin to the effects of high blood pressure and smoking. The human brain can read and comprehend text at amazing speeds, thanks to its ability to recognize whole words at a time, not just individual letters. In groups, humans tend to match their walking pace to keep up with or match the slowest member, which is thought to be a subconscious act of social cohesion. If a man is dealing with 2 women, he'll always stay with the one who talks less and listens more, reflecting a subconscious preference for companionship that feels less challenging and more attentive to his needs. When you learn something new, your brain undergoes a physical change, developing new neural pathways which exemplify its plasticity. Most of the brain's patterns and memories are set by age 25, making early life experiences and education critically shaping for an individual's personality and abilities. People who write about their experiences daily in a journal are often less stressed, have a stronger immune system, and demonstrate a higher level of emotional well-being.